I wish to say thank you to all my super stickers, super chatters, and channel members, and of course to all my subscribers. 2.9 thousand subscribers. And we have here my members, of course. First of all, my members, thank you so much to Kevin Adamas Vlog, member for 3 months. J Vlog Fan, member for 7 months. Proud Mangyan, member for 3 days. Tagasling Ayer, 3 months. Quietude of Eden, 10 days. Nyoy TV, 10 days. Ant's Journey, 10 days. MJ Del, member for 10 days. Elmix TV, 10 days. Red Hearted, 10 days. Eris Alvis, 12 days. Manang Buday, 1 month. Chanatan Channel, member for 15 days. Inday ng Davao, 6 months. Hannah Marie Vlog, 15 days. 1L TV, 4 months. Len Vlogs, 2 months. Mommy Ems, 2 months. Angel Vance, 15, 29 days. J. Ruan Bukat, 8 months. Trias TV Motovlog, 1 month. Sir Marlon, 2 months. Carmela de la Cruz, 1 month. Tanggal Bato, 2 months. Lenyu Channel, 2 months. Rosen Harbison, 10 months. Nils Lifestyle, 4 months. It's Kasi Vlog, 6 months. And of course, No Budget Show, 11 months. My longest member since I have started my channel being monetized. Thank you so much sa ating mga channel members. And of course, I wish to thank also my super stickers and super chatters. And they are Marlene, Quietude.Eden, Narin Lee, Angel Vince 15, Quietude.Eden again, Secretary, 1LTV, Carmela de la Cruz, Quietude.Eden, Sir Marlon, Gina Fabular, Red Hearted, J Vlog Fan, Manila Vine, Angel Vince 15, Lenyu Channel, J Vlog Fan, Nils Lifestyle, Cybit 138, Sir Marlon again, J Vlog Fan, Sir Marlon, Gina Fabular, J Vlog Fan, Blondie Pango TV, J Vlog Fan, Blondie Pango TV, Manang Buday, Blondie Pango TV, Tanggal Bato, Naren Lee, Lenyu Channel, Hungry Chef Kitchen, Rosen Harbison, Blondie Pango TV, Sir Marlon, Rowenas Lufu, May Vlog, Nils Lifestyle, Lenyu Channel, Tutikai, J Vlog Fan, Nils Lifestyle, Lenyu Channel, Blondie Pango TV, Tagasling Ayer, Rosen Harbison, and and the Pets, Nils Lifestyle, Blondie Pango TV, Pretty Sis, Nils Lifestyle, Pretty Sis, Clea Joy Avelia, Partner, Pretty Sis, Partner, Rosen Harbison, J Vlog Fan, Mangyano FW, Rosen Harbison, Manila Vine, Gofrox Lag, Raid Explorer, J Vlog Fan, Raid Explorer, Rosen Harbison, Love Bites by Nelia, Prin Victor, Rosen Harbison, Green Victor, Roxanne Money Vlogs, Green Victor, Lias Vlog, Manila Vine, Home Garden Nature, Bing Sha, Familia Dastrada, Ichel TV, Ichel TV, Jen Cadano Vlog, Familia Dastrada, Gamo Production, Kevin Adamas Vlog, J Vlog Fan, Rosen Harbison, Jovelyn Borta Nagcrochet, J Vlog Fan, Familia Dastrada, Ancheroa, Familia Dastrada, Gina Fabula, Pretty Big 08 and Friends, Manila Vine, Jensen Salinas, Rosen Harbison, Miss July, Glenda Migiso, Frigilin Vlog, Glenda Migiso, Ketibit 08, G Vlog Fan, Kevin Adamas Vlog, Kevin Adamas Vlog, J Vlog Fan, Familia Dastrada, Jensen Salinas, Manila Vine, Tutikai, Jameson Salinas, and of course, a special thank you to Jameson Salinas, my first ever super sticker on my Thursday live on August 14, 2020. Exactly 1 year since then. Thank you so much sa inyo mga super stickers and super chatters. This is for you. And to all my subscribers, thank you also sa ating mga subscribers. I am very thankful na kayo po ay naging bahagi ng aking channel, ang ating mga subscribers. Ayan, nandito po makikita natin ang ating mga recent subscribers. Nandito po sila, ang ating mga recent subscribers. Julius Best Vlog, God is Watching Us Vlog, Jonathan Amadorable, Fangs Vlog, Driver DXD Vlogs, Mayura Kuhamo. But these are all just those who publicly who have shown their public subscriber as public subscribers. Ayan po sila, ang ating mga subscribers. Ayan. Ayan po ang ating mga subscribers na ginawang public ang kanilang pagsusubscribe. Ayan ang ating mga subscribers. Yung naka-public lang ang kanilang pagiging subscribers. Yung pong mga naka-public, private, hindi natin dito makikita ang kanilang mga pangalan. Yan po ang ating mga public na subscribers. Yan, nandyan sila. Salamat po sa inyo. Tayo po ay natutuwa dahil kayo ay naging parte ng aking channel. Yan. This is for the last 90 days. Sila po ang nag-subscribe sa atin for the last 90 days. Ayan, napakarami po nila at hindi na natin isa-isahin. Salamat sa inyo. Thank you, thank you. Ayan po, salamat. At hanggang dito na lang at muli, nagpapasalamat si Obra Maestro sa inyong lahat dahil kayo po ay naging parte ng aking journey dito sa mundo ni YouTube. Dahil sa inyo, ako ay naging si Obra Maestro na nagpapasalamat sa inyong lahat. At muli ay thank you so much sa inyong mga suporta. Yan po si Obra Maestro. At kung hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe sa aking channel, don't forget to click like, subscribe, and click the bell para lagi kayong updated sa aking mga videos. Yan, thank you so much guys. Bye-bye.
Hello, magandang araw po sa lahat na nandito. Happy anniversary po kay Sir Obra Maestro. Napakamagandang loobin po ang host natin dito sa kanyang anniversary. Kaya binabati ko po siya. Mabuhay po kayo at manalangin po ang Diyos sa inyo na ito po ay nagustuhan kong verse na para po sa inyo. Okay?
Hi guys! Hello, good morning, good day. This is Val Frias from Val's Creation. I just want to greet my friend and coach, Mr. Joe Barros, in Obra Maestro for his first anniversary as monetized channel. Joe, Sir Coach, good luck, more power, and God bless.
I
Bye!
just want to say congratulations to Obra Maestro for celebrating his first year of being monetized sa kanyang YouTube channel na Obra Maestro. I'm really happy na naging part ako ng journey mo sa larangan ng YouTube. At isa ka sa pinagmamalaki ng Team Ayuda Full Love dahil sa mga makabuluhan na content na ibinabahagi mo sa amin sa tuwing magpi-premiere tayo. I'm hoping and praying for more success sa'yo and good luck.
Hello, Sir Obra Maestro. Congratulations to your grand LS. I was so happy because I was one of the winners and I am now enjoying the prize that is 3,000 watch hours. Wow! Hindi ko akalain po na ako ang mananalo, but then God is good and I won. Thank you so much, sir. It was a success. We enjoyed so much your grand LS po. Yung mga palaro po ninyo, yung mga duck race, yung mga pa-premyo. Thank you so much. And even for the sponsors, I pray and hope and pray that your channel will grow and you will have more and more revenues. Again, thank you so much, sir. And it was a success because many attended your grand LS and many won your prizes. God bless you po. Again, congratulations, Sir Obra Maestro. Thank you. Bye.
Ay, dito pala. Hello guys, what's up sa lahat? Nandito nga pala ako ngayon kasi gusto ko lang batiin ang aking talaga namang napaka-supportive na tatay at matagal ko ng friends sa White World at itinuring ko na ring tatay. Ayan, hello tay, Obra Maestro. Ayan, congratulations sa channel mo dahil ikaw ay naka 1 year monetized anniversary na. Ayan, happy 1 year anniversary for being monetized sa channel mo. Ayan, wish ko lang na marami pang sahod na marami pang sasahurin sa White World at more support chatter, more subscriber, and of course, more friends to come. Ayan. Tay, wala na akong masabi. Basta yun na yun. More active kay Lolo Whitey and happy first anniversary. God bless sa channel mo, tay. Andito lang si anak mo, G-Vlog fan. Laging susuporta sa channel mo. Ayan. God bless you, Tay. Happy first year anniversary for being monetized. Love you.